Well, hi Math Workshop friends. Just came back from the grocery store and I had this real world to math connection that I wanted to share with you today. And well, first let me show you some of the things I got from the grocery store, all right? First thing, here I've got some sticks of butter. If you open up the package, let's just see, it looks like 4 sticks inside. And I was curious, I wonder how much this weighs, because when you buy grocery items, a lot of times you're buying things based on weight. This is, let's see if you can see it. Do you see right there? 16 ounces. And then in parentheses, it says 1 pound. But let's take a look at actually what 1 ounce actually looks like. So I'm gonna use my digital scale and I'm gonna show that to you right now. Guys, come on. Here's my digital scale. It is set to ounces. OZ is the abbreviation for ounce. And it's set at 0. There is nothing on the scale. It should weigh 0. I have some tomatoes here. These are not big tomatoes. They're tiny little friends. That one's a little rotten on the end. Tiny little guys. They're called little cherry tomatoes. I mean, like super duper tiny. Let's put this little guy on here. And what we're trying to do is see how much 1 ounce, what that looks like with produce here. The sun glare. There we go. Got this. Getting closer. That's 78 hundredths of 1 ounce. We're not quite to 1 ounce yet. Let's see. Is this going to do it? Oh my gosh. We're just a tiny little bit over. Friends, this is the equivalent of 1 ounce. So 1 ounce. That's it. So if I have 16 of this here, 16, this amount, then I would have 1 pound. So what's 1 pound? I also bought these today, pickled beets. And if you look at how much this jar weighs, it weighs, where is it? 1 pound. And then right there it also says 16 ounces. 16 ounces is equivalent to 1 pound. So this is 1 pound. I'm gonna lift some weights today with my 1 pound pickled beets. I'm not. Another item. Refried beans. Do you guys eat refried beans? Some of you might like these. A lot of you probably don't. I like them. I use them. I put them on the bottom of a 7-layer dip with chips and melted cheese and salsa. So good. Someone's coming out to say hello. It's Andy. He was someone who helped pick up groceries today. All right, but look at the weight here. 1 pound, 16 ounces. They're equivalent. So this weighs the exact same amount as this. They are equivalent. I'm gonna show you something else I bought today. This one's a little heavier. Are you ready? Oh, hold on, guys. What is it? It's actually not that heavy. I bought a big thing of jasmine rice. I'm gonna show you how much this weighs. It's right down here, but I've blocked something out so you can't see part of it. It says the weight, 80 ounces. What I taped here, so you can't see, is the total pounds. How many pounds? How many pounds? How many pounds of rice did I buy today? And that, friends, is what you need to work on in the task section of your Hanging with Mrs. Mac paper, all right? I would like for you to figure out how many pounds of rice is this. And you don't have to guess. You have the information right here because you know how many ounces it is. Remember, 16 ounces equals 1 pound. How many pounds would 80 ounces be? Use that section of your paper, use any strategy you want. You might draw some pictures, you might make some equivalent equations. It's totally up to you. But how many pounds of rice did I buy today? All right, everybody, I might go inside and make some pickled eggs. You figure out how many pounds of rice I have. When you're finished, go ahead, put your paper in the Hanging with Mrs. Mac paper, hanging on the wall. All right, everybody, as always, I love you very much. Thanks for hanging out today and learning about weight. 16 ounces equals 1 pound. Bye, guys.